Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to watch recently watched videos on Facebook. Open up the Facebook app on your device, then you tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the device. Now you open the gear icon at the top right of the screen to open your settings. Scroll down and locate your activity. Then you tap on activity log. Now you tap on Facebook activity. Then you locate and tap on posts. Then you choose or select your posts, photos or videos. Now you tap on the filter icon at the top left below the archive button and you click or select categories. In the options here, you select videos you've watched. So these are the list of videos you've watched recently and over time. Now you can rewatch any of these videos just by tapping on them, and you can delete them if you no longer want any of them by tapping the three dots beside the video and you hit the delete button. That wraps up what I'll be showing you in today's video. I hope this helps. Hit the like button, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.